Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to review the Acer Nitro 27-inch WQHD IPS PC gaming monitor. Before we get started, if you're looking to buy this monitor, check the link below for the best price available today. Let's dive in. Design and build quality. The Acer Nitro 27 monitor is a visually stunning piece of hardware. It sports a modern and aggressive design that perfectly fits any gaming setup. The 27-inch display is surrounded by ultra-thin bezels, providing an immersive viewing experience. The stand is robust, offering height, tilt, and swivel adjustments to cater to your ergonomic needs. Additionally, the VESA mount compatibility gives you the flexibility to mount it on a wall or arm stand. Display quality. This monitor shines with its 27-inch WQHD 2560x1440 IPS panel, delivering incredibly sharp and vibrant visuals. The higher resolution compared to standard FHD monitors means more screen real estate and crisper details, enhancing both gaming and productivity tasks. The IPS technology ensures excellent color accuracy and consistency, along with wide viewing angles, making it ideal for content creation and media consumption. Performance and features. The Acer Nitro excels in performance, thanks to its 144 Hz refresh rate and 1 ms response time. These features ensure ultra-smooth gameplay and minimal motion blur, essential for fast-paced gaming genres like FPS and racing games. AMD FreeSync technology further enhances the experience by synchronizing the monitor's refresh rate with your GPU, eliminating screen tearing and stuttering. HDR and color performance. The monitor supports HDR 1.0, offering a broader range of colors and improved contrast for more lifelike images. Gamers and content creators will appreciate the enhanced visual fidelity, making dark scenes more detailed and bright scenes more vibrant. Connectivity options. The Acer Nitro 27 monitor is well equipped with multiple connectivity options, including 2 HDMI ports, a DisplayPort, and a headphone jack. This variety allows you to connect multiple devices simultaneously, such as gaming consoles, PCs, and more. The monitor also features built-in speakers, which provide decent audio quality for casual use. User experience. Setting up and using the Acer Nitro monitor is straightforward. The on-screen display, OSD, menu is intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing you to fine-tune your settings quickly. The low blue light and flicker-free technologies are great additions, reducing eye strain during long gaming sessions or extended work hours. Value for money. Given its feature set, the Acer Nitro 27 WQHD IPS gaming monitor offers excellent value for money. It combines high-end gaming features with superior display quality, making it a versatile choice for gamers, professionals, and multimedia enthusiasts alike. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Acer Nitro 27 WQHD IPS PC gaming monitor is a powerhouse. With its stunning display, high refresh rate, AMD FreeSync support, and ergonomic design, it stands out as a top choice in the gaming monitor market. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or someone looking for an immersive viewing experience, this monitor will not disappoint. Don't forget to check the link below for the best deal on this monitor today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next review.